how to find enable others to comment on my post settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find enable others to comment on my post settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click this three lines in the top corner and then just click this settings and then click privacy. Here you will find this one, enable others to comment on my posts. What you need to do is just click on it if you want to turn it off, and you can click on it again, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.